Welcome to Foxtecc. If you want to record a video on Snapchat without holding the button on Android, there's a simple way to do it. Let's go through the steps so you can record hands-free. First, open Snapchat and go to the camera screen. To start recording, press and hold the record button just like you normally would. As soon as you start holding it, you'll see a lock icon appear on the left side of the screen. To record without holding the button, slide your finger to the lock icon while still holding the record button. Once you do this, the recording will lock in place and you can release your finger. Snapchat will continue recording hands-free until you stop it manually. Let the video record for as long as needed, then tap the stop button when you're done. From there, you can edit, add filters, or save the video to memories before sending it. If the lock icon doesn't appear, it's possible that you're using an older version of Snapchat. In that case, go to the Google Play Store, check for updates, or restart the app to refresh its features. That's it. Now you know how to record video on Snapchat without holding the button on Android. If this helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more Android and tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.